and welcome to another Paradise Nutrients Earth to Health and Wealth training video. And today we want to talk about nitrogen in the soil, high nitrogen in the soil. Of course, you can see the farmer has done a lot of great work preparing his soil to grow the next crop of vegetables. But one thing we want to talk about is high nitrogen. And if the farmer has to put nitrogen in his soil, which he normally does, either nitrogen as urea or NPK fertilizers, to make his crop grow quickly or quicker and to get a good crop to send to market, then he needs to put nitrogen in the soil to help with the growth. If the farmer puts too much in, it can have an impact on other minerals and nutrients and the uptake into the plants. And this is called a synergistic and antagonistic effect on the soil. And of course, with high nitrogen in the soil, it'll affect the uptake of molybdenum, potassium, copper and boron. And that can have an effect through the plant to your body through mineral deficiency. So we're going to let Laura now explain what effects these deficiencies can have in our body. Over to you, Laura.
Thank you, Graham, for the intro again. It looks like the farmer has done a good job preparing his soil for the next crop. As Graham explained, high nitrogen in the soil can have an antagonistic effect or block the uptake of other minerals in the soil. So let's have a look at what effect a deficiency each of the minerals Graham mentioned can have on our general well-being. Molybdenum is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including breaking down proteins, toxins, and drugs, supporting liver detoxification, and contributing to the proper functioning of several enzymes. It is also involved in the metabolism of sulfur-containing amino acids and purines. While a deficiency is rare, molybdenum is important for overall health. Molybdenum appears to be absorbed via a passive process, though where absorption occurs in the intestinal tract. Adults absorb 40% to 100% of dietary molybdenum. Infants absorb almost all of the molybdenum in breast milk or formula. Molybdenum can be found in a variety of foods, particularly legumes, whole grains, nuts, and leafy vegetables. Potassium is a mineral that is essential for all of the body's functions. It helps your nerves, muscles, heart to function well, and also helps move nutrients and waste around your body's cells. Potassium deficiency, also known as hypokalemia, occurs when potassium levels in the body are abnormally low. Symptoms can include fatigue, muscle weakness, and irregular heart rhythms. This deficiency can result from inadequate dietary intake, excessive loss through vomiting or diarrhea, or certain medications, such as diuretics. Potassium-rich foods include fruits like bananas, oranges, and dried fruits, vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, and spinach, legumes like lentils and kidney beans, and some dairy and plant milk. Copper. Copper is essential for iron absorption and red blood cell production. Deficiency can lead to anemia, including microcytic, macrocytic, or normocytic types. Bone and connective tissue problems. Copper deficiency can cause weak and brittle bones, osteoporosis, and problems with connective tissue, affecting ligaments and skin. Neurological issues. In severe cases, copper deficiency can lead to neurological problems like loss of balance and coordination, ataxia, numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. Boron. Boron, a naturally occurring element, is thought to offer various health benefits, including enhanced bone health, potentially improved cognitive function, and support for hormone balance. It is also believed to play a role in managing arthritis symptoms and may contribute to a stronger immune system. Boron deficiency in humans is not well defined, and its symptoms are not fully established. However, potential consequences include impaired bone health, reduced immune function, and possible effects on brain function, particularly executive function. Limited data suggest that low boron intake may also affect hormone levels and exacerbate deficiencies in vitamin D and magnesium. Boron is a naturally occurring element found in many plant-based foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Some of the best sources of boron include prune juice, avocados, raisins, peaches, peanuts, and beans. While shopping, we don't know where many of our foods come from, or if it contains all the nutrients we need to maintain our general well-being on a daily basis. So if you are concerned about nutrient deficiencies in your foods, consider supplementing with the nutrients in the Paradise Nutrients multi-pack. These products are loaded with a broad spectrum of 75 naturally plant-derived minerals. The pack includes Moringa Sustain 800, Mate Multi and Superboost probiotics. Delivered from the beautiful nutrient-rich, Lockyer Valley, Australia. I hope this information has been helpful.
Well, thank you for that explanation, Laura. Been really helpful information. We hope you've enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing our next video.